Hi, I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE releases Class 10 Second Board Examinations 2026 date sheet. Exams to be held from 15th May to 21st May, beginning with mathematics and concluding with social science. Refer to official circular for detailed schedule. National Human Rights Commission orders pan-India audit of school book lists over costly private publisher textbooks, issues notices to Ministry of Education, CBSE, seeking action taken. Reports from all states and union territories within 30 days, asked Centre to clarify role of NCERT and SCERT within 15 days, flags financial burden on parents. Alleged mandatory purchases and possible violations of RTE Act Section 29 and equity goals under NEP 2020. Uttar Pradesh Madhyamik Shiksha Parishad declares Class 10 and 12 results 2026 on 23rd April at 4 p.m. Shikha Verma tops Class 12 while Kashish Verma and Anshika Verma lead Class 10. Over 52 lakh students appeared in exams with pass percentages of 90.42%, Class 10, and 80.38%, Class 12. Scorecards available on upresults.nic.in, upmsp.edu.in. DG Locker and SMS, toppers and district-wise statistics released at Prayagraj press conference. BCM School, Basant Avenue, Dugri Road, Ludhiana celebrates Class 10 student Jasmine Tiwari's selection for Young Scientist Program Yuvika 2026 conducted by ISRO. To attend fully sponsored 2-week residential training at Regional Remote Sensing Center Jodhpur from May 10 to 22. With Principal Dr. Vandana Shahi calling it a proud milestone and Director of School Education Mr. Amitava Ghosh describing the achievement as an inspiration for students. CBSE launches Integrated Payment System Center Final 2026 portal after Class 10 result declaration to process final payments to exam centers and functionaries with revised remuneration, direct schools to submit and freeze data from 22nd April to 6th May, with refreezing window for failed payments from 8th May to 15th May. NCERT launches 28 online courses for classes 11 and 12 across 11 subjects on the SWAYAM portal from 16th April to 15th September 2026. Enrollment open since 16th April. Schools urged to encourage teachers and students to participate in massive open online courses offered under the Ministry of Education initiative. NCERT releases soft copies of Class 9 textbooks on official website, including Sanskrit, Sharda, English, Kaveri, Mathematics, Ganit Manjari, English version, and Science, Exploration, English version, making digital access available for students and schools. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.